Welcome to this introduction to the new Kuali Financials portal. Stevens is upgrading KFS to version 6.0 in early April of this year. The new Kuali Financial system has all of the features you love about Kuali, with a more user-friendly portal which is configurable at the institution level and also tailored to you. Please take the time to watch this video, which will provide all of the information you need to navigate the new Kuali Financials. Access the new portal. One way is by clicking on the Kuali Financials link on the My Stevens website. Another way is to enter the new URL stevens.kuali.co/fin into the web address bar. After you access Kuali Financials with the new URL, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials on the shibboleth screen using your Stevens ID and password. This is the screen that will appear. In contrast with the previous KFS portal that showed all possible links, even those for which the role or permission was not assigned to you, the new portal has the links organized into groups on the left and is tailored to you. Under each group, you will be presented with just the activities for which you have permission. The groups are arranged in what we believe to be a logical order, with the most commonly used groups on top. Orders and payments are first, budget and account management second, and so forth. Again, these labels are configurable, and we are looking for your input on what would be logical for you and the people you support. Use the arrow next to the home icon to minimize the list and gain more screen space after a document or search is opened. Again, in contrast with the previous KFS portal that arranged the 4 categories of links in separate sections and separate tabs, now those links are all available within the related group. This is a picture of the Labor Expense Management group. If you find that you don't need to see all of the reference or administration links, you can turn them off. All of the lookups accessed by the reference option are still available within each document. Again, if your specific role does not have the permission to initiate a specific activity or reference, the choice will not appear as a link. Here are the links under the Labor Expense Management group with the administration box unchecked. Another way to find the link you need is to start typing in the search box on the left side at the top of the list of groups. Here, we are looking for the document type Distribution of Income and Expense, used to allocate an expense that was charged to one account to 2 or more other accounts. Kuali Financials will start to autofill the possible choices. In this case, you did not need to know that the link appears in the Budget and Account Management group to find the link. You can search whole words or parts of words or phrases to find what you are looking for. Here I'm looking for a link to look up account balances. I don't know the exact term, but assume the link contains the word balances. The Available Balances option is the one I need. Enter the account number and hit Search. This will show the budget, actuals, outstanding encumbrances, and budget available by object code. Finally, to complete the tour of the new Kuali Financial portal, links for the action list and doc search now appear on the upper right. When you click the action list link, the action list appears in a similar format to the previous KFS, with the ability to set preferences and filter. When searching for any document, instead of specific searches for each document type, the search for all documents are now incorporated into the one doc search link. Clicking this link opens the basic document search screen. Enter the doc type you are looking for, in this case a disbursement voucher or DV. If you tab out of the field, all of the possible criteria with which to search for a DV opens up, including the payee, initiator, account number, date created, etc. When searching, the asterisk is still the wildcard. When you don't know the exact title or name of something, you can substitute a wildcard or use it as a shortcut in your typing. There are 3 ways to use the wildcard character. Begins with, if you know what a name description begins with, type that information followed by the star. Example, to search by a person's name that begins with the letter M, type M**. That will return all names starting with M. Contains. If you know a word or part of a word that is contained in the description or name you are searching for, type those letters between the 2 stars. Example, to search for the office supplies object code, type *SUPP star. This will return all object codes whose title contains the word chunk SUPP. If you know what a name description ends with, type star followed by the ending letters. For example, if you knew a vendor had the word gallery as the last word in its name, you could type star gallery. You can also look up certain fields by clicking on the magnifying glass. You can also look up specific documents that have been created if you return to the home screen and click on the Doc Search button. Clicking this link opens the basic document search screen. Enter the doc type you are looking for, in this case a disbursement voucher or DV. If you tab out of the field, all of the possible criteria with which to search for a DV opens up. If you know the person's name, you can start typing it into the payee name field. In this example, I need to find a document for Mark Blackburn, so I will enter star Blackburn star and click search to find all documents containing the word Blackburn. To refresh, this video showed the new URL and ways to access it, the new layout and configuration of Kuali Financials, using the new search feature, a brief overview of the available balances lookup and of the action list, using the Doc Search link for detailed searches, and using the wildcards to search. Thank you for your attention. This concludes the brief tour of the new Kuali Financials portal. If you have any questions or comments, please contact Finance Campus Support at 201-216-8000 or at finance-support@stevens.edu. And please look for more videos on other features of the new Kuali Financials, including navigating the action list.